Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the high beam bulb on a 2014 Dodge Journey. Step 1, unlock the car, and then we're going to go ahead and pull the hood release lever, and then it's right over here on the right side. Lift up, go ahead and grab the rod, and there we go for the prop. So I went ahead and purchased these LED headlight bulbs, and they look just like that. I'll include a link to Amazon, and they were $30 or $35. So the high beam bulb is the second one. So the first one's your blinker, the second one's your high beam bulb. Go ahead and twist it to the left and pull it out. So for this clip, be careful because it actually shoots out pretty well. That, and then just go ahead and lift this tab up. And the key to the headlights is don't touch the bulb, because then you get oil from your fingers on there, which causes them to burn up. So now, these BeamTech bulbs come with a harness. Just go ahead and plug it in. Then there's 1, 2, 3. So stick them in, rotate them to the right until they're just like that, nice and firm. And then they're going to face to the sides. So one side's down. Let me go ahead and actually put this guy back on. Alright, so that's over and done with. Just tuck that away. Now off to the other side. This guy is a little harder to get to, but it's right down here. Pull it out. And then lift this up. Out. Alright, nope, this is this. Right, it's nice in there, nice and firm. I'm gonna tuck that one away. That's pretty much it. So now let's see how bright they actually are. Fortunately, it's light time outside, but something. Start the car for this. There we go. So they mentioned that they can be polar in the instructions, it just means that I have to go ahead and connect the other side the other way. we go, just like that. That's what it basically looks like. They actually don't have any glare up over here, which is nice because I thought Sash was scared it would. And yeah, that's it. I'll also include a link for the fog lights because I've gone ahead and replaced those as well to LED bulbs. And in my opinion, it looks pretty nice. So that's it. That's how you replace the high beam bulbs in a 2014 Dodge Journey.